Hello my lovelies. In this video we will demonstrate how to convert a saree into a beautiful pleated skirt with one of our most loved Suta saree. Let's start. Hold the saree end from the top edge. We shall tuck only around 8 inches of the drape in the underskirt starting from the right side of your waist. Now we will create 6 inches of pleats and neatly tuck it in your underskirt or pants, making sure that the drape does not look bulky. We will continue making the pleats and leave no excess fabric. And there you go, the saree is transformed into a pleated skirt. For look 2, instead of completing the pleats till the right corner, we shall hold the end of the width of the saree and make small pleats. Now we will take the drape and place it over neck like a dupatta. With the rest of the fabric, we will make small pleats and neatly tuck it on the right side of the waist to create a graceful fall at the back.